Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC90 versus Audi Q7 crash test performance. We'll dive into how these luxury SUVs protect occupants in various collision scenarios. Understanding their safety strengths helps you make an informed decision. Both models are renowned for their robust construction and advanced safety features, offering peace of mind on the road. Let's explore the specifics of their crashworthiness. The Volvo XC90 is a leader in safety, often receiving top scores from organizations like the IAS. Its strong unibody structure and comprehensive airbag system are engineered to absorb and distribute crash forces effectively. This design minimizes intrusion into the passenger compartment, safeguarding occupants. Furthermore, Volvo's commitment to safety innovation means the XC90 includes many standard active safety technologies, helping drivers avoid accidents altogether. The Audi Q7 also demonstrates impressive safety performance, earning high marks in rigorous crash evaluations. Its advanced engineering focuses on creating a protective environment for all passengers. The vehicle's structure is designed to deform strategically, absorbing significant energy during a collision. With a full array of airbags and advanced electronic stability control, the Q7 provides a secure and confident driving experience, prioritizing occupant protection. Ultimately, both the Volvo XC90 and the Audi Q7 are outstanding choices for safety-conscious buyers. While specific test results might show slight variations, both vehicles provide superior occupant protection and advanced accident prevention technologies. Your decision may come down to other factors like driving dynamics or interior features. Remember, for more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, find the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.